We're here at the Forest Hotel.
You're welcome.
Here in Anaconda, Montana. I wonder if this is like an A bill or something. 3. Emerald, probably. Doors closing. Looks like an A-bell. Door closed by works. It's actually a pretty nice elevator. Someone actually ringed the elevator. These are the buttons here. Elevation reversal. And here we have one. I wonder what's this. That's probably the emerald cabinet. See? Listen to this.
Crazy, yeah?
It's probably emerald.
Probably.
Yep, it is an emerald. So anyway, I guess that is it for me.